guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a vlog day. I'm gonna vlog my going outs and my coming ins. So today basically is gonna be an easy day. Probably go to Asda, go to Lidl, do a bit of shopping, and go to the garden centre. I do have an obsession with plants at the moment. If you watched my first vlog, you would know that I'm very much into gardening. So today I might just visit the garden centre, and hopefully I won't buy anything, but if I do see something that I feel that I do need, I just may indulge, but we'll see. Hi guys, and welcome back. Well, I am back. So I did go to Asda, I did go to Lidl, and I did go to a garden centre, and I will show you what I got from each place. Okay, as you can see, I laid out everything that I got from the places that I visited. So from Asda, I got this glass jar. Very inexpensive. I think this was £2. That was £1.50, and I think that was £1 or so. And I thought I'd just use this as storage because I do like how it looks on the counter, and it's also functional as well. And I'm gonna have to find something to put in this here. Got some vitamins here. I also got a mug for my husband. He's been moaning about the mugs that we have, because I do have the kind of clear glass cappuccino mugs. But he doesn't like it. He says it's too feminine, which is okay, fair enough, fair point. So what I did, I got him this King of the Castle mug, and he absolutely loves it. Energize Vitamin B Complex. That's pretty good. So those are the things that I got from Asda. Okay, so what I got from Lidl, I got all my drinks here. I'm into fruit juices quite a bit, as you can see. I've got a cordial juice. I've got some fizzy. That was only 45p, which is pretty good. We're trying to cut down on fizzy at the moment. So that's why we have a lot of juices, and we have water as well. Sweetened almond milk. I thought I'd try that. Because every time we buy fresh milk, it always goes off because we don't use milk as much. So I could have got the other milk in a carton, but I thought I'd just try the almond sweetened milk. Got tuna chunks, got some energy drink, some fresh coriander. I also thought I'll try this feta spinach and tomato red pepper pie. As I did say before, I am trying to cut down on meat, so I thought that would be quite nice. Got some lemons. I've seen this advertised on TV, and I thought, you know what? It was only £1.99 from Lidl. So I thought I would just try it. You actually get the exercise mat, and you get the little wheelie thing. I don't know what it's called, to be quite fair. And it helps with the abs. So I'm going to try that. And also I got some resistant bands as well. This was also £1.99. So you know, in the middle of the shop, there's usually like a large mystery aisle. It just has all these random goodies. This is the kind of naughty pleasure section. So I've got sticky toffee pudding. Also got the lemon meringue pie, as I love lemons. Anything lemons I love. And I've got a takeaway pizza, barbecue chicken. It's got tiny bits of meat. So yeah, it's mainly for my husband, to quite fair enough. I've also got large avocado, and we've got the Yorkshire puddings. We have the black grapes. Oh gosh, naughty pleasure. I tried. I looked at it twice. It looked back at me, and I thought, you know what? Let's do this. I've got the chocolate wafer bars. Absolutely love cream crackers. This takes me back to my childhood, because my nan, she was a big fan of cream crackers, and we used to have it with everything as a little snack. And I've just grew up on it, and I still have it up to this day. We've got some basmati rice. That's pretty good. That was £1.25. And then we have the black pepper sea salt crackers. I absolutely love crackers. I love anything that just crunches in my mouth. I like it. And also you can see you've got the sweet and salted popcorn. Yeah, I decided to get one for myself, one for my husband, because we absolutely love this. And that's what we got. Shopping cost about 50 something pounds. So not bad at all. Yeah, I just want to revamp my flower bed, my raised flower bed. I think it just looks a little bit wild at the moment. What I did, I planted some flowers. They grew pretty tall, as you can see, that past the actual supporting stick. and they grew. And I've got little baby ones coming through. This one is dead. As you can see, it's pretty tall and they need to be supported. Yeah, they need to be supported. These flowers here, they are shrubs, and they do grow pretty big and large, and they are meant to be, as you can see, that color, but it's turned this color here. Now what I did, I've done a bit of research, and it said that usually when you are growing light blue flowers, the soil needs to be at a certain pH level, so it needs to be more on the acidic side. What you can do, I believe you can put vinegar in your water can, mix it around and just water the flowers. So yeah, so these here are seasonal because summer is finishing, and I've got a couple dry bits, dry dead ends here, so I'm going to just sort that out. Yeah, so basically I just want to revamp this section because I feel just it's getting a bit wild. I'm going to cut the sunflowers down. I am happy with how these plants have grown. They started out quite small and they have grown pretty large, and it's still growing, which I'm quite happy about that. So I guess you can say this is the before, the wild flower bed, and it needs to be tamed, and I'm going to hopefully tame it today. Okay, as you can see, I've taken out the sunflowers, and you can see it looks tidy already. Didn't get to film it all, but as you can see, I have cleared up the flower bed. It's looking a little bit more tidy. What I've done, I've added this plant here, I've added some ivory at the back, so ivory in the corner, ivy, and some plants here, so it looks a little bit more tidy. And these are seasonal, so I think I'm gonna pull them out probably towards the end of, or the beginning of September. I've planted some bulbs, so it looks a little bit more tidy, as you can see.